Here is the ink spot on the screen. Power off the phone and use the pull card to remove the curved back cover. Remove the screws, take off the subboard protective shield, and disconnect both the screen main flex and battery connectors. Heat the front side to make it easier to separate, and pry off the old curved screen assembly. Thoroughly clean up all the old residual glue from the phone's outer rim. Reconnect the battery and the new screen to test if the display and touch response are working normally. There are no ink spots now. Power off the phone again. Apply backing adhesive to the new screen, then spread screen glue evenly along the edges of the outer rim. Peel off the plastic film from the new screen. Officially seat the new curved display and power on for a second test. Once confirmed, apply glue to the back cover, snap it back into place, and clean away any excess glue around the edges. Wrap rubber bands around the whole phone to keep it tightly secured, and wait 1 hour for curing. Let repair be easier.